And in international news, Forbes magazine released its annual list of the world's richest people. The US still holds the top spot for the country with the most billionaires, but a jump in billionaires in Brazil, Russia, India and China is narrowing the gap. The improving global economy has provided a significant boost to the rich all around the world. Mexican telecom tycoon Carlos Slim, Microsoft founder Bill Gates, and US star investor Warren Buffett are again the top three on the annual Forbes billionaires list. And they are in good company. There were more billionaires than ever around the world, over 1,200. Their net worth rose 25% from the year before to a record $4.5 trillion. But the wealth gap is narrowing in favor of the BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India and China.
But in terms of Asia Pacific, the number of increase in billionaires is almost 40%, a huge increase in wealth. In terms of the BRICS, you saw Russia go from 62 billionaires to 101, Brazil from 18 to 30. And so what this underscores is that there is dynamism in the world economy, but it's not in the United States and it's not in Western Europe.
IBM caught the eye of investors. The stock hit a lifetime high after the US tech giant said it would double its profits by 2015. IBM has been pushing further into emerging markets and the lucrative services and software business. But weaker than expected current quarter earnings estimates from Texas Instruments weighed on technology stocks in general. South Korea's central bank raised interest rates today as expected and is poised to repeat the step as early as next month. The Bank of Korea surprised investors by holding rates last month but stuck to the script this time.
오늘 금통위에서는
After examining the domestic and international financial and economic situation as a whole, the Monetary Policy Committee decided today to raise the basic interest rates of the Bank of Korea from 2.75% to 3% for the monetary policy operation.
Consumer inflation in South Korea hit an over 2-year high of 4.5% in February. That is far above the central bank's target band of between 2 and 4%. The central bank added consumer prices are likely to sustain their strong upward trend. This is mainly due to rising raw materials and food prices. Economists expect the Bank of Korea to moderate its stance after April or May, when inflation is set to peak. In a bid to survive global competition among the world's stock exchanges, the Tokyo Stock Exchange may be merging with its domestic rival. Japanese media said the TSE is considering a merger with Japan's number 2, the Osaka Stock Exchange, and that the two bourses would formally start talks soon. Pressure on the Tokyo bourse to take action intensified last month when Deutsche Börse unveiled a deal to take over New York Stock Exchange Euronext to create the world's largest exchange operator. Other Asian bourses such as the Singapore Exchange and Australia's ASX are also looking to grow bigger by combining operations. Before we head back to news, let's take a quick look at the Asian equity, commodity and currency markets. After that, Laura Buckwell is back with the news.